Stay tuned to see how I got this cute style using clip-ins. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unbagging and a tutorial on some new clip-ins that I got from Kinkistry. Stay tuned. So I am so excited about these clip-ins. I have used Kinkistry clip-ins before, and I'll insert the video for those up above. But recently I just partnered with Kinkistry as a brand ambassador. So I'll also link my discount code up above that you can use to save some coins on these amazing clip-ins. They also have some headband wigs and some U-part wigs, which I'll leave that video up in the cards above. But yes, let's get into these clip-ins. So I have two bundles. Both are the Coilistics. I have the 12-inch Coilistics and the 14-inch Coilistics. So let me open a pack up so that you can see what they look like. Okay, so it comes with the netting on and extra clips if needed. And this is what the Coilistic clip-ins look like, fresh out of the packet. This is the 12-inch, and here is the 14-inch. And these are the extra 2 clips that each bundle comes with. So here is the 14-inch. Again, this is the Coilistics texture, which is the 3B, 3C curl pattern. So here's the 14-inch and the 12-inch. So these are fresh out of the packaging. I am going to co-wash these and then I will be back for styling. So we are back for styling. The twists are out. We are now working on an old braid out that has been stretched and slept on. I do like to do my clip-ins on old hair, so that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna get right into styling. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off by sectioning off my hair. So I decided to do some tribal twists in the front of my hair, and I do say tribal twist instead of tribal braids because I'm not that good at braiding. So we're gonna flat twist it out and make it work. So we're gonna start with parting off our 2 sections on the side where our braids or twists going forward are going to be. So we have put our beads on. We're just going to take our hair, stick it through. And work our beads up. Pull it out. And secure the beads. Secure the beads with the rubber band. So I do the same thing to this side. Okay, now the sides are done and we're gonna move on to the middle section. So we're gonna start off by parting our middle section first. And these flat twists are going to be fairly small. We're gonna try to get our medium or our middle section first and then work around that. Okay, so we're gonna first go in again with our edge control around the perimeter. We've already detangled that section. Just working that edge control in. And we're gonna go in and do our flat twist, and actually we're going this way with the flat twist. So we're gonna start at the front and flat twist our way back. I do not know how to French braid, but I do know how to do a flat twist, so that's as good as we're getting here. I'm gonna work on it though. So I'm not gonna twist all the way down because this part is going to be part of my leave out. So I'm just going to take a rubber band to secure this flat twist. And middle section is done, so we're gonna finish the rest of it off camera. Okay, so I finished all of the flat twists in the front of my hair, and I have also flat twisted the back of my hair and just pinned it up. So we are ready to add the clip-ins. And this section here, I'm just going to leave it as my leave out to blend in with the clip-ins. So time to get to the clip-ins. So I went ahead and added my little jewels and accessories in the front. And we are going to start with our first clip-in, and we're going to start off with the 12-inch clip-ins, and we're going to use the 2 clip-ins. So we're just going to open the clip. Insert it into our hair and snap it in place. We're going to move to a 3 clip-in. This is still the 12-inch. And we're gonna do the same thing. And we're going for a full look. So we're going to put the clip-ins fairly close together. Now we're gonna go in with our Kinkistry mister and just mist our hair and the clip-ins a little bit. And then we are going to go in with some of the Hydrolux Moisturizing Enhancer Gel, which is a new product from Kinkistry. So we're going to go in with a little bit of the gel. Just to blend our leave out with our clip-ins. And this gel smells so good. A little more water on this side. Smells really good. So I'm just gonna work that in again with my leave out and the clip-ins. And we're just gonna get this hair as big as possible. Loving the look already. Let that set in and we'll be back with the final results. So stay tuned. And here are my final results. This blend is crazy. These clip-ins are so cute. Definitely loving this look. Again, these are the Kinkistry Coilistic clip-ins in the length 12-inch and 14-inch. And out of the two bundles, I used everything except for one of the 14-inch 4-clip clip-ins. So she's pretty full. So I'm gonna give you a 360. Definitely loving this look. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look, if you would try this look. I'm impressed. I'm literally impressed. So I'm loving the Kinkistry clip-ins. I am loving this new gel from Kinkistry, the Hydrolux Moisturizing Enhancer Gel. This is bomb. And yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I can't keep my hands out of this hair. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.